The V-Line H sets have been a familiar sight across the regional rail network for decades, after being converted from Harris Suburban Electric multiple units back in the 1980s. However, as the V-Line network moves from locomotive-hauled services to the new Velocity trains, the fleet of H sets is now being retired. Many have been recently shunted to regional locations, including Echuca, around 2 hours directly north of Melbourne. There's currently 2 groupings of carriages at Echuca, one directly opposite the station platform and another slightly further south. Both groupings have been left unprotected, sitting outside the secure yard. As you can see, it didn't take long for every carriage to be graffitied, damaged, or both. A collection of tags now covers the once vibrant purple livery from end to end, with empty spray paint cans now discarded up and down the rail corridor. Shattered glass and forced doors lead us to the damage that's been done inside, with amenities destroyed to doors being ripped clean from hinges and thrown about the carriage. Chairs have been pulled up, fire extinguishers deployed, and anything that's not bolted down has been thrown around at will. Although some sets have been donated to rail preservation groups, the bulk of the H sets look likely to end with the same fate in regional yards. Hopefully, those groups lucky enough to be allocated some of these old girls won't now be stuck with the expense of their cleaning and repair. V-Line currently lists 6 carriages as being set aside for preservation, while the remainder seem destined for scrap. Without getting into the politics, it's sad to see the H sets committed to this fate. But until the time comes, it seems that some regional towns are going to be stuck looking at a stark reminder of what used to be or what could have been. I'd love to know your thoughts. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next one.